Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I apologize for being quiet for a long time. A lot has been happening. It's a new year, so new opportunities. But I'm back now and I'll be trying my best to answer your questions, your concerns, finding you the good stuff and sharing the knowledge that I've gathered from my years of trading, especially now that I've also been trading with robots a lot since December or November last year. I think I've taken a keen interest in forex robot trading to determine which robots are the best and how to improve some of the worst performing robots, how to make them work, because I recently discovered that a robot that people were saying that is terrible, it's bad, it needed a few tweaks and testing and you can actually make it work. But anyway, that's a story for another video. In this video I'm going to discuss with you how you can improve your forex robot trading, how you can use the robot that you have for better results, how to get better results with the forex robots that you have. Nowadays forex robot seems to be the thing. It's trending. Seems like wherever you turn, everyone is selling a robot. Everyone has got the best robot in the world, the millionaire making forex robot. Of course, it's just marketing. It still needs you to do a lot of work to improve those robots and to make them make you money. So these are some of the lessons that I've learned while testing all these robots. First thing is currency. It's important that you determine or you find out which currency pair works well with that robot. Trust me, when you buy the forex robot, you're going to be told that it works well on all pairs, it works well on indices, it works well on everything that can be traded under the sun. I'll say don't just take the word of the person who's selling it to you like that, because they are marketing. They are just trying to get you to pay and buy the thing. So it's up to you to actually go in and test that robot and find out which currency pair does it work well with. Trust me, there are people who have made a lot of money in forex trading just one pair, trading a single pair. When it goes up, they buy it. When it goes down, they sell it. And that's how they've made millions. You can do the same, only that you are going to be using a forex robot. So determine the currency pair that works well with your forex robot. Currency pairs are like people. They've got behaviors, they've got their own characteristics. So it's not exactly true that this forex robot will be working on all forex pairs and all and indices and stuff like that. You need to determine which one is the best forex pair to use the forex robot on. Second thing is the trading approach that the forex robot utilizes. You need to understand the approach that the robot is using towards the market. There are many strategies. There are millions of forex trading strategies. Every forex trader has got their own strategy that makes them money, and every robot out there has got some way, some concept that has been programmed into the algorithm that is supposed to help it to make money in the markets. You need to understand why and how does it work, because some of these robots, sometimes they break down and the developer is not available. You cannot reach the person. Does it mean you lose a day, a week? You lose your money. You need to understand the concept behind it, so that when things do not seem to be going well, you can actually step in and be able to tweak the settings yourself. Sometimes the settings that you were provided with, they probably work best with a certain broker, and your broker, of course, brokers use different candlesticks and different trading instruments, whatever. So maybe it's not working perfect with your particular broker. So you need to understand the trading approach that the Forex robot is using. The next thing that you need to enhance, that you need to test out, that you need to tweak and to understand is time frame. It's important that you understand which time frame works best with that Forex robot. I've seen the robots that I've tested. Some of them, they work well on 15-minute time frame. Some of them, they do worse on the minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame, because on the minute and on the 5-minute time frame, they are too aggressive. They just start opening trades like 1,000 trades in a few seconds, which is too aggressive, because any sudden move against you, your account is blown. But when you bring that robot to 15-minute, 30-minute, or the hourly, you find that robot is now more tame. It's now more tame and is now performing ideally, and not just taking 1,000 trades in 2 seconds. So you need to determine time frame. First of all, we determine the currency pair that it works well with, and we understand the trading approach that this robot uses. Now you must understand which time frame is best suited for this robot to make you money. The fourth thing is actually position sizing, lot sizing. It's important that the robot has some way of you determining which lot sizing it should be using. You do not want a robot that just places standard lots by its own. Here it places 5 standard lots, there it places a standard lot, or maybe 10 standard lots, and you don't even understand or have control of the lot sizing. That's the easiest and quickest way of you losing your account. And there are things like martingale. I try to stay away from robots that utilize martingale. You know, the system where if you lose a single trade, then you double up on the next trade, hoping that you recover the loss from that previous trade and you also make money on the current trade. I usually stay away from those, because I learned that the martingale systems, they can make you a lot of money if you're correct, but the moment things don't go your way, you are bound to lose a lot of money. So I need a robot that can allow me to determine lot sizing, and also determine whether I am using martingale or any of those compounding systems, which I said I try to stay away from. Then importantly, the robot must allow you to set your take profit in pips, or your stop loss in pips. So if you are away from your charts and you are away from your desk, when the trading robot is trading by itself, it's going to be setting your stop loss and your TP like you determined it. And once your trade moves into positive territory, that robot needs to be able to start trailing that trade by its own, so that you don't lose the money that you probably would have gained if the market reverses and you are away from your charts. So those are the 5 key elements that you can use to enhance the robots that you have. Test out the currency pairs, and find which one works best with that robot. Understand the strategy or the approach that the robot uses. Understand time frames. Determine which time frame best suits that robot. And also money management, risk management, lot sizing. It's important. Don't just let the robot trade by itself. You need to manage your account. Then lastly, I said I look for forex robots that are able to set a stop loss, a take profit, and are able to actually trail the trade by themselves. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section below if you have other things that you want me to touch on concerning forex trading robots. I hope this video helps you improve and enhance your forex trading with robots. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.